Guys, good morning. Share ko lang to. Nakaka-good vibes na comment na nakita ko sa video ko. Look, sabi niya, I am your best big fan. O, diba? Nakaka-good vibes. Positive vibes. Nakaka-good vibes. Na meron palang mga tao na nakakapanood ng video ko at na-appreciate nila yung ginagawa ko. Kaya ikaw, kung gumagawa ka ng video or mga reels, akala mo walang nakakanood nun, just continue doing it. Maraming nakakapanood nun, pero hindi lang sila nagre-react or nagko-comment. Kaya kung isa ka sa nakapanood ng video ko, please don't forget to react or comment. Say something in the comment down below at ma-appreciate ko kung ano man yun. Thank you. And this is Mel always saying, stay motivated in life every day, always smile.